Honey is a natural sweetener with numerous health benefits, including antioxidant properties, rich in antioxidants. Honey helps protect cells from damage, wound healing. It's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. Properties speed up healing and prevent infection when applied to wounds. Cough relief. A spoonful before bed can soothe nighttime coughs, especially in children, leading to better sleep. Improved sleep quality. Honey helps regulate blood sugar levels, promoting relaxation and better sleep. Digestive health, it encourages the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and has a prebiotic effect. Energy boost, quickly absorb. Honey provides a natural and sustained energy boost.
I need you now. Sleep tomorrow, tonight go crazy. All you gotta